Did you know that the average person spends up to 250,000 hours sleeping in their entire lifetime? That's incredible. Sleeping is so important, it recharges your body, so we're going to treat ourselves here with a ghost bed. This bed has got so many cool features. Now we got the split king, which is also called a Twin XL, and what this gives us is if one of us tosses and turns, it doesn't wake the other one up because we're technically separate. We just push them together. Now this bed's got all kind of cool stuff. It's got 4 USB. It's got LED lighting. It's got massage features. Of course, it's got elevated head and elevated feet. And then you push one button and it all goes flat. Now this bed does not have a box spring, so you do have some storage underneath, which is really cool, but it has the same height as your king size bed. My wife loves the storage. She's gonna get all these Tupperwares and put under there, which is gonna be fun. Once we got the base assembled, now we're ready to plug it in and check everything out. When you do plug it in, it goes through like a self-test and all the LED lights flash, and it goes through and checks the massage and everything else. Now on the remote, it's got some really cool features. The remote has a flashlight feature. You can also control your LED lighting. You can control the elevation of the head and the feet. And you can set these as presets, so you can go back and forth to those. And then when you hit this one button in the middle, it just lays everything flat, which is really nice. It does have a massage feature. I would not call that one of the strongest features for that. For me, it was really the head and feet tilt. The massage feature is a little muted. I don't think it's as good as like a like a car seat massage or one of those chair massagers or anything. It's just not that strong, but it is a nice feature to have. I really think the LED lighting underneath the bed is highly underrated. It's really cool because you can turn it on and it won't wake up your spouse. And I just think it's a really cool feature. It helps to look under the bed. It's great for, getting up and going to the restroom at night or something like that. Let's talk about the mattresses. They both came tightly rolled up in these boxes. And as you can see, these are vacuum sealed, and they are full coil mattresses with a memory foam pillow top. And once you pierce the packaging, all the air comes inside, and they're really tricky to get out. You got to be careful with scissors. You can't use a razor knife. A lot of pulling. I really wish there was like a pull string that would just magically open these things up. This thing is so vacuum sealed, it basically sounded like it was a leaky tire as it was inflating itself from being vacuum sealed. Pretty impressive. It rolls up like a sleeping bag. And this is a spring mattress, which is pretty neat. Here's a bit of trivia. The founder of Ghostbed, whose last name is Werner, is the same company who has the Werner fiberglass ladders that are so popular. The reason he named the company Ghostbed was that he actually was afraid of ghosts being under his bed at night, which I guess is why it doesn't have the box spring, and you can see underneath it. Probably why they have LED lighting underneath them too. I'm really excited about this incline feature. This really helps a lot of people with sinus issues or acid reflux or a host of other issues where you need to be elevated. It's a really, really handy feature to have. What's really neat on this bed is if you touch the pillow top, it has this cool memory foam on it that actually wicks away heat, which is really nice. After sleeping a couple nights on it, I can tell you I'm really impressed with it. I love the incline feature. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll answer every single question. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.